Hey guys, it's your boy, the God Giver himself, Harriet, and it's Friday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our bold, excuse me, bold review. This is Fridays with BMX only on Harriet, and today we are going to talk about the Elevator Lady. Who is the Elevator Lady? Well, Elevator Lady is movie is the latest offering from BMX. It is starring Albi Casino. You can see him sa Batang Quiapo. I believe this is the first movie ni Alia Raimundo. So she is the latest BMX crush na sasabak sa BMX. I mean, sa Malagkit, di ba may bago tayong BMX crush, si Ashley Lopez. So yeah, may parang mga new breed dito. Another thing to note is yung sa movie na to, it also stars Bern K. This is the second time Albi, Casino, and Bern actually paired up since Kasalo. Ayun. So, what do we expect dito sa pelikula na to? Well, first of all, may parang sorpresa tayong may shadow drop ang BMX sa mga trailers na pinapakita nila dun sa ating sa kanilang mga preview. Yeah, sa ating mga mata may mga bago silang trailers. And one of those trailers is a new series ata. Parang series eh. So I assume ito yung papalit sa WoW Money. Arouse. Parang solo leveling lang ah. Arise. Kung sa solo leveling arouse arise, dito is arouse. Well, you can't win them all, di ba? Well, speaking on arouse, this movie is going to give some arousal. It's the third banger of a movie na pinalabas ng BMX after my break. Okay? So, yeah, it means something. It means something talaga kasi after my break. Before break, we got Tokyo Nights. But today, nakita natin BMX, todo bigay. Like, Collector, Malagkit, and now Elevator Lady with a debuting Alia Raimundo. Which is really parang which is really something, di ba? Yeah. Unfortunately, this movie suffers with the playtime penalty. So -1 sa tier, and it will really affect its positioning on my very own tier list. Don't believe me? Watch this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX. Only on Harriet. So yeah, Elevator Lady. We are exploring the world of Kat, a part-time student na nag-work as an elevator lady sa isang condominium. Pero maliban sa pagiging elevator lady, she is apparently using the time to have sex with male tenants by emergency stopping the elevator. Di ko alam paano siya hindi nahuhuli, pero ayun eh. Ganun eh. It's plot armor. It's the weirdest for the plot armor. So, syempre, walang sex kung mahuhuli, di ba? Kung sisitahin siya ng kanyang kalbong boss, played by Mark Dionisio, si Harold, ginamit pa yung pangalan ko, just to know if his elevator lady is having sex with male tenant abusing the emergency stop button. So, nakilala ni elevator lady si Maurice. Si Maurice yung naging best friend niya dito ay forgot the name of the actress, pero sige. And ang maganda dito kay Maurice is, I think she's very experienced. Let me look it up. Look it up. Who is Maurice on Elevator Lady? Okay. Ah, so yun. Kumikita ng extra itong si Kat para sa kanyang pag-aaral by having sex with tenants. And yung mga ma-action dito yung mga pagtatalik niya sa mga tenant eh. Okay, so Jaja Sobel. Okay, I think that's the name. Jaja Sobel. Very good. Very good. Very good. Feel niya yung pagiging beshin ni ano. Tapos tatry do rin pala ni ano mamaya. Okay. Si Jay. So na-inlove siya dito kay Jay pero nasungitan siya sa umpisa. She and Maurice were on the jacuzzi dun sa penthouse. Nakita nila si Jay nakubad. And then that by that time it's ano, nalaman ni Jay, ini-stop siya ng mga elevator lady. And he began teasing yung maganda sa dalawa. Hindi si Sasha Bell, si Ali Raimundo, si Kat. Kat is apparently a senior high school 18-year-old. Senior high school na 18-year-old? Isn't that a bit too old for a senior high school student? I don't know. Hindi ko alam. And may mga pangarap naman itong si Aliyah, si Kat sa buhay. Okay? May mga pangarap naman siya na kailangan niyang ano. Then, here comes the plot itself. Albi Casino, si Jay, started robbing his schlong sa braso ni Kat. And upon robbing, trinab naman, sinagot naman ni Kat by robbing the schlong habang may mga tao sa elevator. And then they proceed to have sex. Very hot elevator sex. It's like sex. It's like sex. Iba yung tsura ni Ali Raimundo dito, no? Kaysa kumpara dun sa Wow Mane. So, I assume na yung Wow Mane na tape yun before doing this film. So, one thing I noticed about Ali Raimundo's sexual acts or yung kanyang pag-aarte is that she moans a lot. So, she's like Manang Medina levels of moaning. So, yun. Manang Medina levels of moaning. It's not that bad naman, pero when it comes to doing some acting, I think it's a bit excessive. Manang Medina's moan actually hit the spot kasi she moans at the right time. Ito, she's a loud moaner, but she spams the moan too much. Kind of like, Cielo! Miedo! Okay? You tell me if she spams a lot of the moan. Well, pagdating naman sa dulo, it's fine. She did what she had to do. She is very sexy. I can give you that. Perhaps too sexy for a senior high school 18-year-old elevator lady part-timer. Then we got a scene of Maurice sexing her way sa puso ni Harold. Ginamit pa yung pangalan ng tatay ko, no? And yun, dahil dito nagkaroon siya ng extra pay. Pero parang ini-imply niya dito sa pelikula na to na piniflirt niya si Jay sa text. Okay. So the conflict of this film happened when Jay's wife, si Vern, played by Vern Kay, one second. Yeah, Jay's wife, played by Vern Kay, happened to arrive and she became fast friends with Kat. Si Vern Kay dito, I assume na para tuloy na sequel ito nung Kasalo, which also starred Vern Kay and Albi Casino. Parang ano in my head canon, this is the sequel. Kaso Lana ang pangalan ni Vern Kay doon at Rudy naman si Albi Casino. And Rudy was a good guy there. So, ayun, nalaman ni Kat na asawa ni Jay, itong si Vern, with, ang pangalan ni Vern dito ay Mimi. Yeah, so, dahil sa aksidente, naka-wheelchair siya. Or is she? So, ayun. We're not even halfway in the movie and Albi Casino already turned heel. Yeah. Infamous kasi si Albi na magbuka mabait sa umpisa tapos bigla na lang magiging kontrabida sa dulo. Yeah, he always do that a lot in this in sa BMX. Ewan ko sa Batang Quiapo, I think he's a member of the Guerrero family. Hindi ko alam pero yun. So, ang pangit dito kasi habang nakikipagtalik si Jay kay Mimi, napupulikat si Mimi dahil pilay siya. And this turned off Jay, kaya naghahanap siya ng ibang mga babae at ginawa niyang kabit itong si Kat, who, I remind you, is a senior high school 18-year-old working as a part-time elevator lady. Yun. Sa umpisa, parang na-strain yung relationship ni Kat sa ni Jay, pero nag-event kagad si Kat dahil niregaluhan siya ni Jay ng iPhone. When it comes to that, nagkakaroon ng hinala na tuloy itong si Mimi na may kabit yung asawa niyang si Jay. At ang sinabi ni Jay kay Kat, tigilan nila to kasi Kat, ang nasudo yung Jack, nahuli ng katext ni Jay ito sa cellphone niya. Nahuli siyang may katext ni Mimi. And, ayun. And sa susunod na eksena nito is the typical Viva Max. Yeah, we need to wrap this up. So, yeah, I need to wrap up this review na rin. Okay? So, it turns out, gagamitin ni Kat itong si Maris, played by Jasha Zubel, as siya yung kabit ni Jay. At sa umpisa, nasisante si Jasha Zubel, pero dumating si Mimi para isalba yung trabaho niya. Yun pala, si Mimi, alam niya lahat. Okay? Alam ni Mimi lahat. So, Mimi knows na ang kabit ay si Kat. And nangyari yun kasi umamin si Kat. And they schemed their way para mahuli si Jay on the act. So, sa elevator, nagtalik si Jay saka si Kat for one last time. Nagbuka sa elevator, andun si Mimi, tumayo siya sa wheelchair. Yung parang kay Linda McMahon in WrestleMania X7. Yeah, I popped that loud when Mimi stood up on that wheelchair. Yeah. It's like si Kat, si Trish Stratus, si Jay, si Vince McMahon, and then Linda McMahon, si Vern Gaye. This is like, it's WrestleMania X7 all over again. BMX Mania X7, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ayun. So, umamin kasi si Kat kay Mimi na siya yung kabit. They scheme up this plan. Then, ayun. Pero nauna na nalaman ni Mimi na kabit si Kat kasi nung binigay ni Albi yung iPhone, nakita ito ni Mimi. Kasi in the end, namimeke lang pala na pilay siya kay Albi. So, all the time na sumasakit yung balakang niya habang nakikipagtalik kay Albi or Jay, pinupulikat siya or something. Ayun, yun lang pwede kong explanation. So, nahuli itong si Jay, pinamigay ni Mimi yung kanyang condominium kay Kat ng isang 18-year-old senior high school student na nag-work part-time as a elevator lady. Best girl in the house. Ayun. So, problema ko lang dito, yung boses ni Aliyah Raimundo, medyo robotic. So, she needs some improvement on that. And then, my playtime. Yung playtime eksena dito is when Aliyah is having sex with one of the tenants. Tapos playtime sila bigla. After sex, they Shay. Yeah. I would have given this a smash kasi maganda rin eh. Maganda yung tempo, di ba? Maganda yung flow. There's active flow. The mature scenes are hot. Pero -1 dahil sa monotonous voice ni Aliyah. Para siya si Chris Jericho nung nung Hypocrite era niya eh. Tapos may playtime pa, so -2. I would have given Oh My God. So I'm gonna give Elevator Lady a will bang okay. Will bang okay. Yeah. Tune in next week. Friday. We are going to be reviewing Delusion. This is starring Apple D. So, Apple D up. This is your boy, God Gamer himself, Harriet. Goodbye and good night. Bye.